Hey guys, I'm Bana Suhas and welcome back to my channel Obora Academy. So today, since it is quantitative reasoning, today we are gonna do an interesting topic, and the topic is all about the LCM. So as you know, math is a common language in your day-to-day school studies. So I'm telling to the people who are taking this so easy, math is an important language for you to go to your competitive exams. So yeah, there was a problem, so the mic did not get unmuted. So now I hope you can hear me. So if you can hear me, just give a thumbs up in the chat box so that I could understand that you can hear me. So I will share my screen. Today we are gonna do it in the Jamboard, the LCM tricks. The first four questions are I'm gonna say the LCM tricks, and the rest questions are gonna be the things the teacher taught you in your school studies. So okay, I'll share my screen so that you could see the Jamboard. So hope you could see my screen. So if you could see my screen, just give a thumbs up in the chat box. Okay. Okay, I have gotten thumbs up. Oh, sorry about that. Today I'm not gonna do it in the Kahoot. Today we are gonna do it in the. I'll just show the tricks today. So today, tomorrow, you may have verbal or logical reasoning, and after 2 days, you will again have the quantitative reasoning. At that time, if you want, I could give you the Kahoot in the LCM topic. Today we will learn how to do them. That's all for today. Okay. So okay. Hmm. So, okay, let us start today's day. So, here is your first question. So, 6, 12, 24, and 48. Now, you will have to find the LCM for these numbers, these four numbers. So, how you will have to do it? I'll say you just listen. Okay. So, here you have 6. Okay, just let me take pen. So, 6, 12, 24, and 48. Okay, from these numbers you will have to see the largest number from these four digits. So the largest number is 48. So you will have to see whether this 48 is divisible by 24, 12, and 6. If this number 48 is divisible by 24, 12, and 6, then this 48 is gonna be your LCM. So hope you all understood how we should do this. So if you understand, just give a thumbs up in the chat box so that I could understand. So hmm, okay. So I have not got any thumbs ups. I'm waiting for the thumbs ups. If you cannot understand, I'll repeat it again. Oh, still more no thumbs ups. I'm waiting for the thumbs ups, guys. Let me check whether I have got any thumbs ups. Okay, not yet. No problem. Let me go to the second question without any delay. So here is your second question. So again find the LCM. So let us see how to find the LCM for this problem. So how to find? So again you'll have to see the largest number from 5, 15, 20, and 30. So the largest number is of course 30. So since the largest number is 30, now you'll have to find the numbers which are divisible by the number 30. So hope you all have got the numbers as 15 and 5. So let's cut these numbers, 15 and 5. So here the leftover number is 20. So what you will have to do at this time, you will have to do 30 times 2, so you get 60. Am I right? Because 30 times 2 is 60, right? So now you'll have to check whether 60 is divisible by 20. If 60 is divisible by 20, you have got your LCM as 60. Am I right? So let me just give what is this LCM trick about. So first you'll have to find the largest number, and then you'll have to see the numbers which are divisible by that number. So in this 15 and 5 are divisible, so I cutted those two numbers, and the leftover number was 20. So what you should do, you'll have to multiply 2 with the 30, so you will get the number 60. So you'll have to check whether the number 60 is divisible by 20 or not. If the number is divisible by 20, you have got your LCM as 60. So hope you all understood how you should do this problem. So that's good. Okay, now let's move to the third question. So here is your the third question. Find the LCM. Okay. So okay. So let us start with our third question. So here how you should do this third trick. So 7, 14 and 13. Again you'll have to find the largest number, which is 14. From these three numbers, the largest number is 14. So then what you should do? Again you'll have to find the numbers which are divisible by the number 14. So the 7 is only the number which is divisible by 14. So again now you'll have to go with the 13. So what you should do here now? So here you can't do 14 times 2, and you'll have to check whether 13 is a divisible by that number, because 13 is a prime number. It will only be divisible by 1 and itself. So no, even if you do 14 times 2, it's waste of time. So how you should do is, you will have to multiply these two numbers. Note this point. If the number is a prime number, then you'll have to multiply the largest number versus the prime number. So when you multiply, you get the answer. So when you multiply this 14 and 13, so let's calculate. 14 times 13, okay, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, so let me put 1 over here, so 3 1s are 3, which is 3, and 3 plus 1, it's 4, 4, let me put across over here, and 4 times 1 is 4, and 1 times 1 is 1, so 2, 8, and 1. So here you have your LCM. So 14 times 13 is 182. So this is your LCM. Okay, 182 is gonna be your LCM for this problem. So hope everybody understood how we should do this problem. So if you understood how we should do this, just give a quick thumbs up in the chat box so that I could understand that you have understood this trick. So we have one more trick. After that we'll move on to how you do in your daily life. So I just want the thumbs ups in the chat box, and I'm waiting for them. Okay guys, I'm waiting for the thumbs ups. At least I need one thumbs up, so that I can understand that you have understood what I have said. Okay, let us move to the fourth question. Okay, here you have your fourth question. So again this is also somewhat same as we done the previous question. So now we will have to find the largest number from these numbers. So here 24 is the largest number. So when you'll have to see the numbers that are divisible by the number 24. So the numbers are 12 and 4. So let's cut these numbers 12 and 4. So the leftover number is 17. Again, if you see 17 is a prime number, so you will have to multiply these two. 17 times 24, you get the answer as 403. Yeah, 17 times 24 is 403. Okay, here is your LCM, which is 403. So hope you all understood how you should do the problems of the tricks which I have said you. Okay, I have got thumbs ups. Good. So that's good about that. So I need even thumbs ups for this so that I can understand that you have understand how to do this, and I'm waiting for the thumbs ups. So yeah, that's good. I have got a thumbs up from Tejasvi. Okay, so now let's move to the fifth question, which you from now onwards we will move on with how you do in your daily life. So without any delay, let's move to the next fifth. Okay, here you have your fifth one. So now let's do it in the normal way, or even you can do it how you wish. So here if you see, let's do it in the normal way from now on. So here you'll do like this only, right? So here let's take the prime number. We'll have to do the prime divisors, right? So 2 is one of the prime divisors, so I write 2. So 2 times 12 comma 2 times 24. Okay, and here 2 times 30. Okay, so sorry about my handwriting, leave up with that. So and then 2, it's 6 2s are 12, and 24 it's 12, and 30 it's 15. Okay, now you can do with 3 times tables, am I right? So you can do it 3 times. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4 3s are 12, and from 3 5s are 15. So okay, till now you have got right. So what do you mean? Actually you'll have to get the denominators, sorry, the numbers in the bottom all as 1. So even if you get like this, that's no problem. You will have to multiply all these numbers. Okay, okay, hope everybody understand. So 2 times 2, okay, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 2s are 4, and 4 3s are 12, and 12 2s are 24, and 24 times 4, oh my god, 24 times 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 1 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 96, 96 times 5, oh my god, again it's gonna be a big number. Okay, 96 times 5. 6 5s are 33. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 3 it's 48. 480. So the LCM for this is 480. That's a big number, right? So the LCM is gonna be 480. So hope everybody understood how this type of problem you might have already done in your school. So you might have got it easy without any delay. You might have got it easy. So without any delay, let's move to the sixth question. So even this is gonna be so simple. I'm saying you this is so simple, and I wanted everybody to give the result in the chat box. So I'm waiting for the answers. Do it in your normal way, that's no problem. Okay, let me give the answer. 20 and 24. So again 2, 10 times and 12. Again it's 2, 5 times, comma 6. Okay, again, so over here now you'll have to do like this, the multiplication. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 5 is 20, and 20 times 6 is 120. So the LCM for this is 120. Okay, so hope everybody understood how we should do this. So so if everybody have understood how you should do this, just give the thumbs up in the chat box so that I can understand that you have understood. So okay, I'm waiting for the thumbs ups. Okay, again I have got a thumbs up from Tejasvi. Okay, again good. So good going, and now let's move to the next question. So all these are easy, right? So don't worry. In Kahoot, I will try to give some tough or tricky questions. So the first 4 tricks are important to you. So I will again give a short recap. I'll give a quick recap in the last, because all these gonna be are so easy. Okay, now let me explain you how we should do this. So in the divisibility rules for 5, if the number is ending with this 5, then the number is divisible by 5, right? So let me write 5. So 5 3s are 15, comma 5 5s are 25. Okay, these two are prime numbers, so we'll stop it over here. So now LCM you'll have to do like this. Okay, so 5 times 3, 5 3s are 15, and 15 times 5. Okay, so 15 times 5 you get 30, another 45. Okay, let's just calculate. 15 times 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 5 ones are 5, 6 7. Okay, 75. Okay, 75. So for this 75 is gonna be your LCM. Okay, so hope everybody have understood how we should do this. So if you understand, just give a thumbs up in the chat box. So I'm waiting for the thumbs ups. Okay. Oh, waiting for the thumbs ups. Okay, I have again got a thumbs up from Tejasvi. Okay, good. So now let's move to the 8th question. Don't think these are simple. Okay, even these simple problems, because of silly mistakes, you may get the wrong answer. So don't think these are so simple. Okay, in the 9th question onwards, we have the factor tree questions. So I'll give the factor tree, I'll give the number, and you will have to just get the factors. Okay, so for this 18 times 30 you can do by 6, 6 3s are 18, and 6 5s are 30. See, again, even this is so easy. Without any delay, you can do it. Am I right? So to find the LCM, you will have to do like this, right? So 6 3s are 18, and 18 times 5. So 18 times 5, 5 are 45. So 5, 5 and 9. So 18 times 5, you get it as 95. So 95 is your LCM. So hope everybody how you should do this problem. So if you just understand, just give a thumbs up in the chat box so that I can understand that you have understood this problem. Okay, I'm waiting for the thumbs ups. Again, I have got a thumbs up. Okay, from Tejasvi. Okay, again, good. So now let's move to the ninth. From now on, as I said, you factor 3 questions. So I wanted everybody to give it a try. Okay, so now let's just start. So 300, you can split it as 3 and 100. You can split it in many ways. So just simply let's split it as 3 and over here 100. Okay, and 100 you can do as 2 and 50. Okay, and 50 you can do as 2 and 25. Okay, and 25 you can do as 5 and 5. So you have split the factors. So for 300 your factors are 3, 2, 2, 5, 5. So if you multiply all these, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, like that, and 12 5s are 60, and 60 times 5 is 300. So that if you multiply all these numbers, you get the number 300. Not only in this way, you may have many other ways, like 2 times 150, and 150 you can just divide like that and come. Like 150 you can do like 3 times 50, yeah, 150, yeah. So like that you can do and increase your factor tree. To do it so simple, you can use this method of 150 25. So you can use this method to simply factor the 300. So that's all. For the factors are 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Okay, hope everybody have understood how you should do this problem. So that's good. So now let's move to the next problem without any delay. So here again you have your factor tree. So if you have understood the previous one, you might have you should also have answered this. So I wanted everybody to just give a try. Okay, let me just give you the answer. So for this 100, you can do like 2 times 50. 2 times 50. Okay. And 50 again you can do like 2 times 25. Okay. And 25 again 5 and another 5. Okay, this is again for the method how you should do it in an easy way. So if you wanted to do in somewhat complicated, you can do somewhat elaborated, not 2 times 50 and 2 times 25. Without coming in a simple way, you can just elaborate it. So I have just completed it in a simple way. So hope everybody have understood how you should do this problem. No worries even if you have not understood, because we have another one problem about factor tree. So I will give you another little bit detail of explanation of that. I'll just elaborate as much as I can. Okay, let's move to the last question. So now let's see how you should solve this 50. This is so simple number. 300, 150. This is so simple. So how you should solve? So if you wanted to solve it in the fast and the quick method, you can use like 2 times 25. And okay, if you wanted to complete it in it's so fast, you can give like 5 times 10 and 5 times 2. That's going to complete so easy. So if you want to just elaborate it a little bit, you can give like 2 times 25 and 5 times 5. This is just also I think same. So I think let's do it in a simple way. So here you can get 2 and here you can get 25. Okay, then here you get 5, and here you get another 5. Okay, now we have got with the first method. Okay, now let's see how to do it with the second method. So let me just erase this. Okay, so let's see how we should do it in the second method. So here 5 times 10 and 2 times 50, 65. Okay, so the multiples of 50 are 5 into 2 into 5, because 5 times 2 is 10 and 10 times 5 is 50. Another method of this, so you have 5 times 10. Oh, that's so simple. Okay, so okay, so guys, I hope you all have understood how you should do this problem. If you understand, just give a thumbs up in the chat box so that I can understand that you have understood how you should do even the factor tree problem without any confusion. So I'm waiting for the thumbs ups. So okay, I'm waiting for the thumbs ups. So this is gonna be the last thing. So I have got one thumbs up from Tejasvi. Okay, that's all good. So guys, if you like this session, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and if you hadn't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it. And for future uploads, just click the bell icon and click all so that you could get all the videos without fail. So we would be taking videos on many things. So I am taking on another topic of the word palm ADC. So if you just want to view that, you could just click the Overall Academy, so where you could see the channel name. So if you click that, you could see all videos which are so helpful for your competitive exams. So just view them and go to your abroad by writing your competitive exam so easy. So guys, that's all about this session. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next live stream of Obora Academy.